Hey guys, welcome to the fundamentals, and today's recipe is salad. This salad is high in vitamin B, it's tasty, and most importantly, it's healthy. Let's get started. The ingredients that you'll need for this salad are simple. You'll need some arugula. You'll need some radishes. You'll need some olive oil. You'll need some salt. You'll need a lemon. Let's get started. Let's start with our radishes. I have this contraption here that cuts radishes in a visually appealing way. You may not have that contraption, and that's okay. I'll show you another method of cutting your radishes after this one. Let's get started. Take your contraption and take a radish. Put the bump of your radish into this sharp part of the contraption and put the spiky part on the other side of the radish. Just twist the handle like so. And you get spiralized radishes that are visually appealing. The other way to cut our radish is this way. Take your radish and just cut circles of your radish with a nice chef's knife. And you get circleized radishes. These pieces will be thicker than your spiralized radishes, but it's all up to you. Since our arugula doesn't need prepping, nor does our salt, nor does our lemon, or our olive oil, we can start with the assembly of our salad. Take your bowl and take your arugula and give yourself a generous portion of arugula. Make sure it looks nice in the bowl. Now take your spiralized or circleized radishes make those look visually appealing. Add a squeeze of lemon, some salt, and some olive oil. And that's our salad. As you can see, the salad looks visually appealing and sure is tasty.